Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday and happy 4th of July. The markets will be closed tomorrow and they'll be closing a little bit early today. But starting off the video, guys, we are green today. We are up $152, a little over 0.5%. We have been doing very, very good. And if you guys do look down at my buying power, I do have $2,300 worth of buying power. We did make some changes in the portfolio, so let's hop right into that. First, taking a look at our crypto, we do have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Total value of both of those, $245 into Bitcoin, $178 into Ethereum. I will be upping these probably to from $1 to $3 a day, probably. I did also up my managed investing portfolio as well as my 401k contributions each week. Very excited to see where those take us and excited to make some videos for you guys. Looking at our total return for these two, $21 on Bitcoin and about 28 on Ethereum. Total percent change, 15.3% for Bitcoin and about 20% for Ethereum. Once again, going to be upping those numbers pretty soon. So taking a look at our returns for today in the regular portfolio, everything is looking green. Snapchat is down, but Snapchat's down, excuse me. Voice crack there, but up 14.5% on the past week. Doing a quick dive into the portfolio, Nvidia is up 1.5%. Basically, the whole bottom of the portfolio is up 1 to 1.5%. Google just turned green. It's been red pre-market. And then when the market actually opened, dipped all the way down, hit 177. It's back in the green now, making a little bit of recovery. But I've been looking into Google for quite a while now. I did have that over in the public portfolio, which did get transferred over here. I'm thinking about throwing a pretty hefty chunk of cash into Google, $1,000 to $2,000, while it hasn't been like horribly down. If you guys look at the year-to-date, they are red on the year-to-date. I think Google's a great company, especially getting into, or as AI progresses and advances. So excited to see what Google has in store, or what Google has in store. Walmart is green today. Walmart has been stuck at about $96 to $98 over the past month. They've been hovering, went from 99 down to 93, back up to 99, down to 96, and they've just been pretty much trading flat. We do have $12,000 in market value, and we are up $35 today, 122 shares of Walmart. Amazon up 1.25%. And finally, taking a look at VU, up 0.8% today, $4.50. VU, we do have a pretty good chunk of change in there, a little over $8,000, 14 shares of VU. And we did end up selling SBHD as well as SCHD. We will be hopping back into those companies probably later down the line, maybe when I'm 40s, 50s, taking the cash out of these and putting them into the JEPQs, JEPIs, SCHD. Grow the money now while I'm young and swap it over there while I'm a little older, maybe middle-aged. With our crypto has been growing pretty heavily throughout the past 3 months. We're up $84, about 25%. So we will be upping Bitcoin and Ethereum, like I said. We're going to be doing $3 a day into each of those. That will equal out to $21 a week into both, since crypto is traded on the weekends. Total of $42 going into my crypto each and every week. So excited to see how fast that cryptocurrency grows. I've had it stuck for a while. I did have Bitcoin and Ethereum for a while now. Sorry, another voice crack. We did start buying Bitcoin a while back in 2020 when it was at $9,000. We did a lot of transactions. Same with Ethereum. We did buy it when I assume back in 2020 when it was probably $300. Yeah, $300. So wish I would have held that instead of just selling it all willy-nilly. You live and you learn, and I will be, I guess, triple down on crypto, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Let me know I'm very new to crypto. Don't really understand all the blockchains, but let me know in the comments what cryptos I should be taking a look at, because I definitely do want to take a look into more cryptocurrency. I did have Bitcoin Gold, as well as it was a different Bitcoin. I had 3 different Bitcoins: Bitcoin Gold, Cash, and I think I had SV as well, if I do remember. Yeah, I had, so it was actually more back in 2021. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. I bought it at 285, so maybe I lucked out on that. But again, I would love to hear some cryptocurrency recommendations in the comment section down below, because I am wanting to get more into crypto, do a deeper dive into it, and see where it takes me. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day today, and all have an amazing 4th of July tomorrow. Light off those fireworks, spend some time with your families, grill out some hot dogs and some hamburgers, and just have some fun, guys. Enjoy your day off of work, and if you're working, I know how it feels. I was working at Walmart, worked probably 4 4th of Julys in a row. Stick it out, work through it, go enjoy your night after. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.